The sponge? Yes, the sponge. The bougainvillea. Am I right? Which one? This one? Yes. So this is by using a stem? Cutting. We cut it and we can plant somewhere else. Okay, good. Yes. Okay, this is an example of snake plant by using sponge. Alright. Yeah? Yes. Yes.
Is papaya tree?
The suckers there? Where is the sucker? Over there. Okay, this is suckers. Okay, that's why we can pick the sucker and plant somewhere else. Okay? By using stem? Cutting. Don't play around. Do you see the suckers over there? Where is the suckers? Can you show me the suckers? Yes, where are the suckers? Okay, this is tapioca. Okay, the underground stem, this one. You can see the fruits under. Yes.